Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Colony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Please remember guys to hit that like button, it means a lot. Today I'll be cooking lamb neck. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. I have always used lamb's neck for soup, but never stewed. This is a first, and it happened by accident. I thought I was thawing oxtail, but when it was fully thawed, I realized that it was lamb's neck. So I've decided to cook it just as I would oxtail. If you'd like to see me do this, then continue watching. For my seasoning, I'll be using a little jerk seasoning, some coarse black pepper, all-purpose, mixed herbs, onion, bay leaves, garlic, ground allspice, which is pimento, ground pimento, ginger, because you know lamb and goat needs that ginger, and a little browning. Here in my bowl I have some lamb neck and I'm going to stew them. So before, I'm going to wash it, cold water. They are already cleaned, so I'm just giving them a second rinse to get rid of the vinegar. After washing your meat, you're not going to season. Remember, season the way you like. I'm adding a little sugar to balance the taste. Marinate your meat for at least an hour and then we're going to slowly cook it so that it absorbs all the flavor we can. Teaspoon of jerk seasoning. Now if you have scotch bonnet pepper, that would be great also. Now we add some salt to taste. You know, as you cook your taste and add your salt. I'm browning the meat to lock in the flavor and get some of the juices out. You don't need a lot of oil and you can just brown it for about 2 minutes on each side because we're going to slow cook it anyway. Notice I've not used a lot of oil because the lamb is very fatty and it will produce a lot of oil in the end. So you just slightly grease the pot so that they don't stick and then you start browning. It is browning nicely, so it's time to turn it off and start the second part of this stew. Now I'm using a larger pot in order to stew and I'm using a little oil. Now I'm frying off the season, like the onion, sweet pepper and the scallion, just to soften it before we start the stewing. And I'm doing this because the lamb is very tender and I want it to absorb a lot of flavor because I didn't season it from overnight. So by doing this, it will absorb some more flavor while it's cooking. Using 3 cups of water, making sure that it covers most of the meat. And then we don't want to add too much water because we don't want to have too much water at the end. So we come and check after 15 minutes and slowly cook. And now after 1 hour, we're testing our meat now. Still needs a little more cooking. So I'm going to add some more boiling water, give it another half an hour. But before that, I'm going to add my carrot and potato. You may use bean. It's similar to oxtail, the same way you'd cook oxtail. But I'm using carrot and potato today. Now I'll be adding some onion because I'd used onion before and that is already cooked out. I'm going to add some for added flavor. And then I'm going to add about 2 cups of water and I'm going to adjust the stove. Turning the stove low just to give it a chance to cook. I've added about 2.5 cups of water and I'm going to cover and allow it to cook for another half an hour. Cook to a thick gravy because the potato is in it. It thickens the gravy. Now here you have it, guys. Delicious and mouth-watering. Oh, I was not disappointed. It absorbed the flavor. And if you know lamb absorbs flavor. It's very flavorful. It's a very flavorful meat. It was yummy. I was not disappointed. In fact, I didn't regret not using the oxtail. Lamb neck stew, cheaper than oxtail, but has the same mouth-watering effect. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.